एक दिन रामू दैट ब्लू गाय रतन को आके बोला, भाई रतन एक प्रॉब्लम हो गया है। रतन ने बोला, क्या हुआ? रामू बोला, भाई मैंने मेरा अंकल से, मेरा रिलेटिव, उसे 5,000 उधार लिया था। मेरे पापा का तबीयत खराब था तो मैंने 5,000 उधार लिया। 1 साल हो गया। उसके बाद मैंने जब अंकल को पैसा देने के लिए गया, अंकल बोला, बाबू तेरे को तो 6,000 लगेगा। सो आफ्टर हियरिंग दिस 6,000, रतन ने रामू को बोला, क्यों? तूने तो लिया था 5,000 और अभी मांग रहे 6,000, किस लिए 1,000 एक्स्ट्रा पैसा ले रहे हैं? तो रतन को गुस्सा आ गया। रतन बोला, 1,000 किस लिए एक्स्ट्रा चाहिए उसको? उसके बाद रामू बोला, मेरा अंकल बोला मैंने बैंक से उधार लिया था 5,000 और तेरे पापा को तबीयत के लिए, बुखार के लिए मैंने 5,000 दिया था, लेकिन बैंक तो इंटरेस्ट लेगा 1,000 का, तो तेरे को कुल मिला के 6,000 चाहिए। तो रामू बोला, 5,000 लिया है, 6,000 किस लिए लाएगा? और व्हाट इज दिस इंटरेस्ट? ये इंटरेस्ट एक्स्ट्रा मनी किस लिए? ये पूछने के लिए आया ये रतन के पास। जी ये कांड हो गया है, दिस हैपेंड टू मी। तो रतन ने बोला, नहीं, हम बैंक जाएंगे और बैंक वाले को पूछेंगे, सर यू टेल मी व्हाई डू यू नीड 1,000 एक्स्ट्रा? माई फ्रेंड हैज टेकन 5,000 रुपीज बट यू नीड 1,000 एक्स्ट्रा। तो ये सोच सोच के रतन ने हो गया गुस्सा और ही वॉज रोमिंग हियर एंड देयर, घर के अंदर इधर उधर घूम रहा था। तो वो लोग प्लान किया, जब बैंक जाने से पहले वो जाएगा एक बार टीचर के पास और पूछेगा दैट व्हाट इज इंटरेस्ट, व्हाई डू दिस बैंक पर्सन need extra money if you lend, if you take some money from the bank, then why do you have to give the extra money? और किसी से भी उधार लो, so क्यों ये extra money 1,000 for 5,000 और कुछ अमाउंट एक्स्ट्रा किस लिए लगता है? किस लिए बैंक को और किसी पर्सन को देना पड़ता है ये इंटरेस्ट? सो व्हाई डू, so today's topic is that what is interest and what is interest and how do this interest generates for a certain sum of money that is called principal money. Okay, so let's start with this. तो इंटरेस्ट एक एक टॉपिक ना ऐसे छोटा छोटा कहानी जो होता है उसी के हिसाब से बनता है, ठीक है। वी विल लर्न दैट व्हाट इज दिस एक्स्ट्रा मनी, व्हाट इज दिस इंटरेस्ट, हाउ मेनी टाइप्स ऑफ इंटरेस्ट आर देयर। ओके, सो लेट्स स्टार्ट। So I hope that you enjoyed the story, right? The thing is that जो कहानी होता है वो हिंदी में सुनने में थोड़ा सा अच्छा लगता है। I also like to hear in Hindi better than English. Okay, so coming to the main topic. So the thing is interest. Interest means actually, this interest mean the extra money. Interest. This means extra money, right? We have seen in the story that he took 5,000 but need to give 6,000. So extra money, which is called interest. Interest is what? Rupees 1,000. So interest is rupees 1,000, right? So the question, already I told that the thing we will discuss, that what is interest. Interest is number one, extra money. And why do we give interest? Suppose you see that how do this whole system, banking system and other system going on running. Okay, so a person, me, suppose deposited rupees 100 to a bank. Okay, I deposited rupees 100. If I deposit rupees 100 to a bank, right, I deposited 100 rupees to a bank. This bank will circulate my 100 rupees to someone else. Okay, he will give 100 rupees to someone else, a person X, and he will take extra money from this person X. Okay, right now rate is around 4%, so he will take rupees 4 extra from this person. And I will also tell that why the person will give 4 rupees extra. Okay, so the thing is that I have given 100 rupees to bank will give 100 rupees to a person, and the person will give 4 rupees extra. Okay, so total money will be rupees. Bank rate is little bit more. Okay, bank will not take 4 rupees extra. Right now around uh yes, 12 to 14 rupees they will take extra. I'm taking 12 rupees, right? Now what will happen this 12 rupees extra money? Okay, so बैंक जो 12 रुपी बैंक को जो मिल रहा है एक्स्ट्रा 12 रुपीज, that money will be divided into different parts. Okay, this rate is 12% right now. Depend varies bank to bank. कुछ बैंक 14%, some bank take 15, okay, 17, 10, 12, minimum 12% rate is there. So the bank will take 100 plus 12, that is 112 rupees. Okay, 112 rupees from that person. This extra 12 rupees will be divided into different part. Some part will be given to government tax. Okay, a part will be given to the employee of the bank, employee. Okay, their salary will be given, employee. Another part will be given to the person, the customer, depositor. Okay, depositor, the part will be given to depositor, and the rest of the money, the profit, the bank will keep with it. Okay, so bank will keep, right? So for example, this 12 rupees, your government will take 2 rupees. Just example I'm giving you. Employee salary take 3 rupees, right? The person, they will give to person 4 rupees. So 4, 3, 7 to 9 rupees already gone. So only 3 rupees will be profit of the bank. Okay, 3 rupees will be profit of this bank, right? So the thing is that this 100 rupees bank is circulating in different cases, different purposes, different areas. Okay, giving loan to someone. Okay, maybe house loan, maybe this is house loan, different types of loan, house loan, then a car loan. Okay, jewelry loan, if you want to buy some jewelry, a medical purpose. So many areas are there, so they give the this type of loan to different types, to different means to each and every one, okay, who needs, and for different purposes. Okay, so and the extra money, for example this 12 money will be circulated this minimum these 4 areas: government tax, employee, and these things. You understand me? So that is why you are getting this 3 rupees extra from the bank, because bank will not only keep your money with it, it will also circulate your money to the market, in the market. Okay, and maybe their own business, some bank have their own business. Right now you will see SIP, systematic investment plan, mutual fund. Okay, so bank also start new business with our monies, depositor, your account holders. Okay, so the money that a bank is earning, or whatever the money and your account holder depositing. So on the total money, they circulate this total money in different sector. Maybe SIP, systematic investment plan, you deposit money systematically, you will get a huge return. Or maybe they circulate the money in the mutual fund. Okay, so if they will get some loss, you will also get some loss. That is called the SIP and mutual fund, mutual सिस्टम. ओके, आपने पैसा दे रहा है, बैंक ले रहा है, कुछ बिजनेस चल रहा है, एंड जो प्रॉफिट होगा उसका एक परसेंटेज आपको मिलेगा. दैट इज द थिंग्स. ओके, सो this is the main thing, how do this extra money is coming, okay, from a bank. Similarly, if you take 100 rupees, so you have to give extra money 12 rupees to the bank. If you deposit 100 rupees, you will get extra money. Both side में profit. If you deposit, you will get extra money. If you take as loan, then you have to give extra money. That is the main thing. And this way the system is going on. Government take the tax because road construction, security purpose, different types of purpose, they are giving their support to the bank. Okay, security purpose, road construction, all these things are there. If any dispute come or arise in a particular bank, so the police person will reach in the place and they will sort it out. Okay, so this is why government tax is required. Employee, those people are working. Okay, the officer and all, they need salary, so that salary part will be also given from this extra money. And depositor, those person is giving, he will get a part of it, and the rest of the money the bank will keep with it. And as a result, at the end of the year, bank will also save a huge money. The profit will be also a huge if account holder is more, and this huge money they also do some businesses. Okay, so that is the things. In this way, whole this system is going on. Next part is that this person, a person, suppose uh, an serviceman. Okay, he has 5 lakh rupees, right? But till he is taking loan from the bank. मेरे को भी समझ में नहीं आ रहा था भाई, इसके पास तो पैसा है फिर भी बैंक से क्यों ले रहे हैं पैसा. ओके, so the thing is that if your total yearly annual income, if 5,000, more than 5,000, so you have to pay some income tax to the government. Income tax, different rate is there according to the slab. If your income is 5 to 10,000, 10%, 12%, 15%, in this way you have to give tax. देखो, if you give tax, अगर आपने टैक्स दिया तो डायरेक्टली आपको कुछ पैसा, मनी गवर्नमेंट को देना पड़ेगा. उसके लिए कुछ रिटर्न आपको नहीं मिलेगा. रिटर्न मीन्स ओनली द सर्विस दैट वी यूज आवर गवर्नमेंट रोड एंड ऑल, उसको ही मिलेगा. बट व्हाट हैपन इफ यू टेक लोन एंड इफ यू गिव दैट 12% एक्स्ट्रा मनी, लोन लिया तो 12% एक्स्ट्रा देना होगा बैंक को. ओके, सो इन दैट केस the 12% will be deducted from your income tax. मान लो income tax is 15% and you have taken loan and giving 12% tax to the bank, so your this 12% will not be taken. So एक टर्म कंडीशन है, आपका कुछ लोन ले लिया है तो आपको उतना टैक्स नहीं लगेगा. ठीक है, सो उतना एक्स्ट्रा टैक्स मीन टोटली एक्स्ट्रा मनी, तो आपको एक्स्ट्रा मनी नहीं देना पड़ेगा. इसलिए क्या होता है ना, द सर्विस पर्सन जिसका एम्प्लॉयड है एंड द पर्सन, मेनली दोज पर्सन गिव इनकम टैक्स, दैट पीपल टेक लोन. अंडरस्टैंड? सो दैट उसको एक्स्ट्रा पैसा ना देना पड़े. एक्स्ट्रा पैसा दे रहा है तो बैंक में दे रहा है, एंड ऐसे रिजल्ट उसका कुछ प्रॉपर्टी में भी, कार में भी, फ्लैट में भी, हाउस, कुछ भी एक्स्ट्रा एक प्रॉपर्टी उसको मिल रहा है. ठीक है, बट ऐसे इफ यू गिव वन टाइम 15% टैक्स एज इनकम टैक्स, तो आपको कुछ नहीं मिलेगा. दैट इज वाई पीपल टेक टैक्स. ठीक है, यही फंडा है. जिसका पैसा है फिर भी वो पैसा उधार लेता है, लोन लेता है. ठीक है, तो द फन थिंग इज दैट जो लोग जितना अमीर है उतना गरीब, क्योंकि उसको लेना पड़ता है, राइट. एंड जो लोग जितना गरीब है, हम जिसको पैसे से गरीब बोलते हैं, वो उतना ही अमीर होता है, क्योंकि वो डिपोजिट होता है, उसका मनी से सर्कुलेट होता है पूरा वर्ल्ड में, ठीक है ना। तो पोर आर एक्चुअली द गुड डिपोजिटर, ओके, एंड द रिच पर्सन आर एक्चुअली अ बिग लोन टेकर, अंडरस्टैंड। सही, दिस इज अ वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग फैक्ट, ठीक है। जिसका इसलिए बोलता है, जिसका होता है वो ज़्यादा मांगता है और मांगता है, और जिसका नहीं होता है वो उसमें ही खुश रहता है। एंड दैट पर्सन, आप और मैंने जैसे, मेरे जैसे लोग बैंक में डिपॉजिट करते हैं, ठीक है। और जो बढ़िया लोग होता है वो लाखों करोड़ों लोन लेते हैं, ठीक है। एंड ऑल नॉट ओनली टेक लोन, दे ऑल्सो गिव एक्स्ट्रा मनी, ठीक है ना। मैंने तो बोला सिस्टम कैसे चल रहा है, ओके फाइन। सो नाउ कमिंग टू दिस types of loan. There are two types of interest. Number one is your simple interest, okay. This is simple interest. Simple interest is what? The money what you deposit, suppose 10,000. This is called the principal money, okay. This is called the principal money. Simple interest means you will only get interest on this principal money. Suppose interest is 10%, so first year you will get only 10 rupees extra, okay. Second year you will also get 10 rupees extra, okay. Third year you also get 10 rupees extra, right. So at the end of second year your total interest will be 10 plus 10, that is 20. At the end of third year your interest will be 10 plus 10 plus 10, 30. So in a single sentence, the simple interest is interest only on the principal money, okay. Another is compound interest, okay. So what is compound interest? Compound interest is compound interest is compound interest is interest on interest, sorry, interest on principal money. सी प्रिंसिपल मनी, जैसे 10,000 के ऊपर था, इसमें भी 10,000 के ऊपर होगा प्रिंसिपल मनी, एज वेल एज ऑन इंटरेस्ट, ठीक है। तो इंटरेस्ट का भी इंटरेस्ट होता है compound interest, right. So you will get interest 10 rupees you will get in the next year. In case of compound, for the 10 rupees you will also get interest, okay. So 10 rupees you will get for in the next year, 10 rupees you will get for 10,000, and for 10 rupees interest के लिए भी interest मिलेगा, that will be near about 1 rupee, okay. So at the end of the second year, at the second year you will get which rupees? In this case 10 rupees 10,000 के लिए, okay, and 1 rupee extra because interest of interest, ठीक है ना। तो in that case it will be what? 10 rupees and 11 rupees, 21 rupee you will get in the next year as interest in case of compound interest, okay. इंटरेस्ट का भी इंटरेस्ट मिलेगा आपको किसमें? ना compound इंटरेस्ट में। 10 rupees जो है वही, और उसका इंटरेस्ट 1 rupee that will be also added. So in the next year, first year you will get 10, next year you will get interest 11, and the third year will be what? Third year total 10 and 11, 21, and on 21 you will get 2.1 rupee extra interest. That means your third year you will get 11 plus 2.1, that is 13.1 rupees will be your interest, ठीक है। सो यू सी, देखो सिंपली आपको हमेशा 10 रुपीज़ ही मिलेगा, बट इन केस ऑफ कंपाउंड इंटरेस्ट पहले साल 10 रुपीज़ मिल रहा है, देन इंटरेस्ट विल बी 11 रुपीज़, देन इंटरेस्ट विल बी 13.1 रुपीज़, ओके। क्यों एक्स्ट्रा हो रहा है? बिकॉज इंटरेस्ट ऑफ इंटरेस्ट यू आर गेटिंग 10,000 के लिए तो मिल रहा है, एंड ₹10 के लिए मिल रहा है। नेक्स्ट ईयर 21 जो हो रहा है उसके लिए भी मिल रहा है 2.1 रुपीज़, ओके, जो कि हो गया एक्स्ट्रा मनी, ठीक है। 10 plus 12 plus 1 or 13.1 something it's coming, okay. It will be suppose 12.1, 10 plus 2.1. so बात ही है, मतलब हमेशा 10 नहीं रहेगा, it will increase, okay. So I hope you understood that compound interest means interest on interest, interest on principal money as well as interest on interest, and simple interest only, interest only on principal money. The money which we deposit, that is called the principal money, fine. So now we'll discuss the formulas. इसमें बहुत सारे फॉर्मूला होता है. So in this video only we'll cover the till formulas. Okay, then I will share one practice set. You can definitely practice the question answer. Okay, so let's start. Simple interest, only one formula, that is if principal money is P, rate of interest is R%, and time duration is T, then interest, which is called simple interest SI, that will be P into R into T upon 100, PRT upon 100. Okay, PRT upon 100, this will be the simple interest. For example, if P is 10,000, right, if rate of interest, this is P, rate of interest R is equal to 5%, and time N or T, in compound interest will use this N, number of years. So if T, you also use N, no issues. So if N is 3 years, right, then what will be the interest? SI will be what? P R T upon 100. That means 10,000 into 5, 3. So that will be 1500. Okay, so total in 3 years your interest extra money will be what? That this will be near about 1500 extra money you will get it. Okay, and आपको तो भी पता है एक्स्ट्रा मनी कैसे आ रहा है. ओके, बिकॉज आपका पैसा बैंक में पड़ा नहीं रहता है, जमा नहीं रहता है, बैंक ऑल्सो सर्कुलेट. तो बैंक इसलिए पैसा लेने से ज़्यादा देने में बहुत ज़्यादा इंटरेस्ट दिखाता है, कि वो जितना वो पैसा देगा एज अ लोन और मे बी अनदर बिजनेस, तो उसका पैसा बढ़ेगा, राइट. Okay, so now coming to this compound interest, there are different formulas for compound interest also. Okay, so let's start. Number one formula, if suppose P is principal money, by the way here principal spelling is principal, ठीक है, ये principal, right. So the thing is that rate of interest is what? R%, and time N is number of years is N. Okay, so our principal money plus interest, compound interest CI, if you add, then we will get total amount. Mind it, you will get total amount, and this total amount formula जो होता है इसमें amount ही मिलेगा, ठीक है. And then if you subtract this P, then you will get the compound interest. So very careful. So A is equal to formula is what? P into 1 plus R upon 100 whole to the power N. ठीक है, P into 1 plus R upon 100 whole to the power N. That is the formula of getting the amount. This is annually, if rate is given annually, right. If you subtract P from here, then you will get CI. So suppose this is the amount. If you want to find out compound interest, मतलब 3-4 साल बाद compound interest कितना होगा. So compound interest will be A amount minus P. That means P into 1 plus R by 100 whole to the power N minus P. Okay, so that will be the compound interest, right. Now coming second thing, this is annually. Now coming to half yearly. Now tell me, in a year how many half years are there? In a year there are 2 half years. Okay, there are, in 1 year you will get 2 half year, right. That is why ये जो n है ना, n will be replaced by 2n. Okay, if 2 years you have, the total half year will be 2 into 2, that is 4. So n will be replaced by 2n. And coming to this rate of interest, so suppose 12% interest given annually. Okay, so half yearly interest will be what? 12 by 2. That means half yearly interest will be 6%. मीन्स आपको एक साल में 12 रुपीज़ एक्स्ट्रा दे रहा है, तो हाफ ईयर में कितना देगा? 6 रुपीज़ देगा। तो रेट in the case of half yearly, your R% will be replaced by R by 2%, right? So if you replace this N by 2N, R by 2N, then you will get the formula for half yearly. So finally what will happen? So finally, in case of half yearly, your formula will be what? Formula will be, yes, in case of half yearly, compounded half yearly, formula will be P amount is equal to P, in place of R it will be R by 2 upon 100, N will be 2N, that is P into 1 plus R by 200 whole to the power 2. That is the formula for half yearly, right? If you discuss quarterly, okay, so in quarterly, how many quarters are there in a year? So in 1 year, 1 quarter means always you have to divide by 4. If you take quarter of a circle, that circle will be divided into 4 parts. If you want quarter of square, then you divide into 4 equal parts, right? So quarter means 4 parts divided by 4 parts. So 1 year will get 4 quarters, right? So your N will be replaced by 4N, and similarly rate of interest will be divided by 4 quarters. So if 12% is the interest, then quarterly interest will be 12 by 4, that is 3%, that is R will be replaced by R by 4%. So finally what will be the formula in that case? If you replace it, main formula by N is equal to this, N is equal to 4N and R% is equal to R by 4%, then your formula will be what? Amount A will be P into 1 plus, that is R will be R upon 400, R by 4 upon 100 whole to the power 4N. That means P into 1 plus R by 400 whole to the power 4N. Okay, so that is the formula in case of quarter. You can write down AQ, and half yearly you can write down AH. Then we will find out at last, we will find that which is more, that AQ, AH or AA. Annually interest will be more. If we divide quarterly, then it will be more, or half yearly it will be more, for a same principal, same rate. Okay, you may think that sir, annually amount will be equal to half yearly, and if it is given quarterly, if interest given annually, if interest given half yearly, if interest given quarterly, in 3 cases the values will be same. So that things it will be same or not same, that things we will discuss at last. Fine. So आपको formula मिला, that is quarterly. This is this. Okay, next formula is, after quarterly we get if every year formula is changing, every year 4 number formula. In the first year rate is R1%, in the second year rate is R2%, in the third year rate is R3%. If it is going on like this, so what will be the amount? So your amount will be in that case P into 1 plus R1 upon 100. See, R1 interest going on for 1 year, so it will be this. R2 for 1 year, so it will be this. Okay, and R3 also for effective for 1 year. Okay, so this is the formula. If इंटरेस्ट जो है साल में अगर चेंज होगा, एक पहला साल R1, सेकेंड ईयर R2 एंड नेक्स्ट साल R3 होगा, तो ऐसा करके ना चेंज हो जाएगा, एंड पावर विल बी 1. ठीक है, ये कंटिन्यू होगा. R4 होगा तो 4 साल में 1 प्लस R4 100 हो जाएगा. ठीक है, बट P एक ही टाइप रहेगा. ओके, P will not be repeated, only this bracket part will be divided. Okay, it will be repeated. Fine. So this is for means continuous changing of rate of interest, right? Another case is, this is when n will be fractional. Suppose 3 whole 1/2 3.5 years के लिए आपको निकालना है क्या अमाउंट. Okay, in that case, by the way, if n is equal to half, you write down only year. If n is equal to 1, then year, not years, because these are singular. Okay, so coming to this half, 3.5 years के लिए formula क्या होगा. So for 3.5 year it will be p r p into 1 plus r by 100 whole to the power 3. ये जो whole number है, that whole number will be at the top and this bracket will be again repeated. Okay, now this half will not be at the top of half. Okay, if you see the infinite series, you will see that the result will be very approximate, that if we multiply the half with r. Okay, so these three will be here as a power. Okay, but a half will not be as a power, half will be multiplied, half will be a multiplier of r. Okay, so half will be multiplied with r. Okay, so we'll multiply half. Yes, so multiply half with r, so this will be this. Okay, half into r by 100. If it is given 3 whole 1/3 year, okay, so 1/3 will be multiplied with r. Okay, so in this way, if your means year, number of years is in fixed fractional form, so you can continue. Okay, so these are the main 5 formulas of compound interest. Okay, so last things, just 1 minute I will take, that are these 3 cases are there, are these compoundly annuated, means compounded annually case, compounded quarterly case, and compounded half yearly. All these cases are same when p comma r n same. So let us take one example. Okay, suppose p is 12,000, time n is equal to 1.5 year. Okay, and rate of interest r% is equal to 12%. In that case, a amount if compounded annually means आपको ईयरली एक बार इंटरेस्ट मिलेगा 1200, राइट, 100 रुपीज़ में 1200 मिलेगा. सो इन दैट केस व्हाट विल बी द टोटल अमाउंट. पुट द फॉर्मूला p into 1 plus 100 whole to the power n. मीन्स वी विल चेक दैट ये इक्वल होता है क्या नहीं होता है. ओके, सो दिस इज 12,000 1, and I told the half will be multiplied, right. That will be 6. Okay, so it will be approximately what value. I'm just using calculator to check only my main target to show you, make a relation with all this. So I'm using this calculator. 12 into 112 into 102. Yes, that is 14,246.40 if I'm not wrong. Okay, so that is a annual AA. If you take quarterly, then formula will be what? 12,000, right? 1 plus, in quarterly it will be, I told, r by 4. So which is 1200 in quarterly, it will be 12 by 4, that is 3%, right? So I'm using 12 by 4, that means 3, okay, and power will be 4n. So 4, and this is 202, 3 by 2, yes, 6, so it will be 6, right? So this is 12,103 whole to the power 6, okay. So it will be around what rupees? Let me check. My goodness. So this value is 14,328.63 quarterly, right? So it is very clear that quarterly is greater than annually. And one more things, that is AH will also find out. Okay, so let's find out AH. So AH will be what? Half yearly. P 12,000. Rate 12 will be what? 6%. So 1 plus 6 upon 100 whole to the power n. N will be what? 2n. Okay, so that is 3 by 2 multiply 2. So 3. So it will be this. So it is coming what? Yes, this is around 1.06, 1.06, 1.06 to 12,000. Yes, 14,292.19. So you see this, in case of final result I am writing here, you can understand how much more, how much less. This, and this is 14,292.19. In the next, it was quarter half annually 14,246.40. 14,246, okay, 246.40, and AQ is 14,328.63. 14,328.63. So it is near about how much more? Approximately, you can say 46 rupees. If it is compounded half yearly for same principle, same rate, half yearly, then 46 rupees will be extra. And if it is compounded quarterly, then it will be around 48, yes, around 48 rupees extra, understand? So finally relation we have got, that compounded annually less than compounded half yearly less than compounded quarterly. Okay, so this is the basic concept of simple interest and compound interest. I have tried to give my 100% to explain you the basic concept. Okay, in another video I will explain 10 most difficult question, or you can say most interesting question of this interest, simple interest and compound interest, and the short formulas also. Okay, thank you so much. Thank you for giving your time. Have a nice day. Bye bye.